Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for art and craft supplies, business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or website type, art and craft supplies. So for example, let's choose this and let's move on. Now preparing the dashboard. Wait a few seconds. So here enter your store name, type any name you want, and let's continue. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. So let's move on. What would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products, services, and digital products. Where will you like to sell? Online store, my mobile app, marketplaces and social media, and in person. So that's it. So now continue to dashboard. Now design your site, click here. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you, and here if you wanna customize the design template. So for me I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. So let's get started. Now enter your information here. If you wanna add your logo, here you can change your name, you can change your email, you can add the address or your phone, and also here if you wanna add the social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like, for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design. Now add page to your site. Wait a few seconds preparing the homepage designs. Now your site is up and running, so if you want to edit more, click here, go to editor. So this is your homepage website, and this is the list of your homepage website. You can design it from here. So click add elements. The first element here, you have the text element, and here you find the theme text. You can edit the form or the shape of the text, the theme text here. You can also edit the form of the titles or the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image. Here if you want to upload image, if you want to import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations, you can find it here. So let's move on to the button elements. So here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons, and the iTunes button. Also here you find the payment buttons. So you can add like pay buttons or PayPal buttons. You have to add it on your home page. Now let's move on to the next. Here you find strip. You can add classic, featured, about, services, contact, and welcome, and testimonials and themes. So you have to add any one of these on your home page at any place as you like. You can design it as you like. Now let's move on to the next. You find the decorative. You find the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. That's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here find vector art. You find featured, icons, animals and nature, and logos and badges and characters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here find the video element, video box, or the video mask, or transparent video. So if you wanna like add something from this, that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here find boxes elements. You find here the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the hover boxes, and the tabs. So you can add it on. Just hold on it and you can add it on your home page. Hold on it and put it here, easy and quick. Now let's move on to the galleries. Here you can, if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you wanna add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you wanna show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here if you wanna manage your menus and anchor, you can add some themed menus or horizontal menus or vertical menus, or if you wanna add something like from the in-page navigation like anchor and the in-page menu, or here if you wanna the last is the search, the site search. You can add some site search on your home page. Now let's move on to the contact and the forms. So here you find all the forms you have to add on your home page. You find here the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here you find the Google Maps, the normal maps, and the full width maps, and the last here the chat, the Wix chat button, and the line share button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and the music. If you want to add something from the video section like single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video, if you want to add something from the music element like audio players or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button, that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here if you want to add something from the slideshows like from the forward slideshows or from the box slideshows or from the light boxes like welcome and subscribe or promotion or contact, or if you want to add something from the boxes, the hover boxes and the tabs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here to find the repeaters, the hover repeaters. You can add something from the hover repeaters on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list. Here you find the repeaters and the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. That's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add something like single video players, or if you want to add something from the audio section like SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. That's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here find the advanced elements. If you want to add something like marketing tools or the VeloDev mode, or if you want to add something from the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here find the social bar. If you want to add something like the social bar on your home page, if you want to add something like a Facebook link or a Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK link or line share link, or if you want to add like your Wix your channel on YouTube on your home page. That's it. Now let's move on to the payments. Here find the payments buttons. You can add payments buttons on your home page. You can add the payments forms, or you can add also the pricing plans. You can add something from the store from here. So that's it. Now let's move on to CMS. If you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content. Now let's move on to the blog. If you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience. Also you can add something from the store or from the bookings elements or from the related elements or from the pricing plans. Also you can create and manage events. You can manage your community section, and the last here is your designs. You can manage your design sections. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here you can add sections. Select any one of these. You can add it on your home page, easy and quick. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here pages and menus. You can add pages on your home page. Click here, add page, and you can add this on your home page, easy and quick. Now let's move on to the site design. You can design your website. You can customize your site design, easy and quick. You can edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Also here you can add apps. Here you can manage your business. Here you can upload your media. You can upload your media. You can edit images and videos. You can if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, or from like Shutterstock images or Shutterstock videos. So that's it. Now let's move on to the CMS. Here you can also easily manage your site content. You can use the CMS. Here you can manage your Google ads or your Facebook ads or your email marketing or the SEO or the social media marketing or the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do now is click here, publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. uh, that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.